Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto, passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison Police Department. At 2:41 a.m. Central Standard Time, people across the city of Madison have randomly disappeared at night. Families across the city have reported this to the authorities. A report also speculates that it's the Bean from the game Eas Finally. Its height is 5'11" or 5'6". This creature likes to come out at night. Due to this, a curfew is ineffective until further notice. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
So, any reports on that person dead?
So, we found a camera in the, hallway, or Bean hallway or something, and here's the footage. It's a camera, by the way.
What the hell, man? So many should have been at that factory. I don't know why they let the Bean escape.
I know, but we're gonna have to close the factory permanently until further notice. Ah, fuck, it's behind me, isn't he?
Hello? John, are you there? John? John?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison Police Department. At 4:53 a.m. Central Standard Time, the Bean has gotten worse as it has killed one of the investigators named John Hill. It is also reported that the Bean is breaking into people's house and unaliving them. If you are in your house, do the following steps. Grab food, water, a battery power radio with spare batteries and blanket. Hide in a room with no windows immediately. We are working as hard to stop this Bean right now. Due to this, Riva Blazion had to remove the following games: Fun Mank Horror 2, Monkey in the Backrooms, Scary Horror Mank, and Jeep Fun Mank Horror from the Media Store. Until this has been resolved, please stay tuned for more updates.
Civil danger warning for all of Minnesota and Wisconsin. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The Bean has gotten worse as it's launched 5 missiles to the following cities: Bemidji, Minnesota, Duluth, Minnesota, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and the following cities in Wisconsin: Madison City and Milwaukee City. This Bean has already killed 689,274 people across these states. If you live in a 50 miles radius from these cities, consider evacuating to Illinois, South Dakota,
Dakota, Iowa, or North Dakota, the bean has grown taller and bloody. If you can't evacuate, consider hiding in the basement or shelter. If you can't find a basement or a shelter, prepare for your death. 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 Prepare.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service in Grand Forks. An evacuation order has been set for Beltrami County as the bean, which originated from Wisconsin, has moved up to northern Minnesota. There was also a report of dead bodies near the cutoff. Anybody that lives in Quantima, you have to evacuate to Canada. If you live in the free zones of Red Lake, Rigby, or Little Rock, you must evacuate to North Dakota or South Dakota. There was also a report of a missile hitting Bemidji in 25 minutes. Everyone that's still alive and listening to this, you must evacuate now. Grab anything like food, water, and batteries for your battery-powered radio. You need to leave your headsets behind, so they don't get hacked by the beans so more monsters appear. Please stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
National Information Statement Center. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The bean has decided to become a giant, bloody, horrifying monster. However, Native Americans in Red Lake didn't survive the bomb that hit them. Only 500 of them made it out. The rest of them was stuck in traffic and died from the radiation. After the bean is killed or captured, we will honor them who died from the bean. There was also a report of the bean planning an attack on the rest of the 48 states. However, we won't let this happen. We are the strongest nation in the world. Nobody won't take us down. As of now, some other monsters from the game OG Fun Moncor appear in random states. These 5 states includes Michigan, New York, Washington, Iowa, and Tennessee. These monsters have the name. These names included the Mimic Monk, the Butcher, the Clown, the Hound, and the Crawl Space Monster. If you see any of these creatures, call 911. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All Eas participants will follow activation procedures in the Eas operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will forward the event message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Emergency action notification. All only programming has been discontinued. During this emergency, most broadcast stations and cable systems will remain on the air providing media information to the message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Our world is now determined. The Bean and the other creatures has launched an asteroid to the Earth. It is the size of a galaxy. There is nothing humanity can do to stop this. All residents of the United States and the rest of the world are hearing this. Do the following instructions. Go into panic mode. Go into panic mode. I mean it. There's nothing else we can do. Gather all your friends and family, and call your family on the other side of the world to say goodbye. The national anthem will play one last time. Goodbye, everyone.
All clear. Repeating. All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The Bean and the rest of the monsters were killed somehow by the military before the asteroid even hit the Earth. However, the asteroid has been deflected off from heading towards Earth. However, you'll probably have to stay in your shelter for a year or two as there is catastrophic damage across the United States and the rest of the world. Food and water will be heading to your shelter from now on. If you need more, call 911 so they can deliver the stuff to you. We are glad that we didn't die. Your government thank you for your cooperation. All normal programming shall now return.
flooba-dooba-blub, a flooba-dooba-beep, oh flop. Flip, flop, a flooba-dooba-blub, a fleeba-beeba-blop, oh flip. Flip, flip, flop, flooba-dooba-blub, fleeba-beeba-beep, oh flop. Flip, flop, flooba-beeba-blub, fleeba-beeba-blop, oh flip. Stille, 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 pille, 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 stille, stille, stille. Flip, flop, flooba-dooba-blub, fleeba-dooba-beep, oh flip. Flip, flop, flooba-dooba-blub, a fleeba-beeba-blop.